The situation during the 3 weeks of the new year. The infantrymen of the armed forces of Ukraine were constantly pursued and attacked by kamikaze drones operating in Chasov Yar, a city that is on its way to its complete liberation by the Russian armed forces. As in the footage of the Russian military on the Telegram channel on January 20, 2025, Russian troops from the 98th Airborne Division of the 299th Regiment, using FPV drones of the Molniya II type, in recent days hunted down Kiev infantrymen, while breaking through the area controlled by Russian forces. Remember, Molniya II FPV drone, a 3 kg loitering ammunition and capable of carrying a 10 kg TM-62 mine warhead, had been introduced a few months earlier in the combat zone. As in the footage in August and November 2024, showing the work of Russian drone crews, flying the Molniya II, a cheap FPV and the same head as the Lancet drone, in the process destroying enemy troops. Molniya means lightning, striking the positions of Ukrainian infantrymen who entered and took refuge in the houses of Chasov Yar, which infiltrated the Russian troops' line of control. Note the Molniya II, a newer version flying inside a room with the resulting damage. The drone, which uses electric and autonomous propulsion, strikes several houses with precision strikes, and its explosion burns down enemy positions. Here, some geographical images of the consequences of the strike, omitted for convenience. A group of Ukrainian infantrymen who survived and panicked, rushed to save their lives, then took positions in another houses. They tried to avoid the drone equipped with a remote control system. According to sources, the flight range exceeds 30 to 35 kilometers. But another Molniya II that was waiting for the enemy, then arrived and blew up the house. So far, Zelensky's troops are losing settlements almost every day, and it seems that Chasov Yar is biding its time. The Russian military announced that they have now taken 70% of Chasov Yar and taken over 40% of the city's territory. Kiev is overwhelmed, losing many soldiers, wounded and killed in the battle to defend Chasov Yar, which is now on the red line, especially efficient Russian drones, cheap and smoothly adaptable drones like Molniya II, continuously hunting and hunting.